Most expensive cars in the world. The Rolls-Royce La Voiture Noire Droptail is a one-of-one bespoke luxury roadster, part of Rolls-Royce's exclusive Droptail series. Its deep burgundy true love exterior mimics the rare black Baccarat rose. Inside, the cabin features 1,603 handcrafted wood pieces and hand-stitched leather, plus a removable Audemars Piguet watch and bespoke champagne chest. Built on a unique monocoque chassis with a 6.75L twin-turbo V12, it's fully custom and priced around $32 million, making it one of the most expensive cars ever. The Rolls-Royce Boattail is a one-of-three ultra-luxury bespoke car, built by Rolls-Royce Coach Build division. Inspired by classic yachts, it features a boat-like rear, marine-style wood inlays, two-tone paint, and a 6.75L twin-turbo V12. Inside, it has hand-stitched leather, bespoke wood trim, a butterfly opening hosting suite with champagne fridges, crystal flutes, and a parasol. A custom Bovet 1822 timepiece serves as a wearable watch or dashboard clock. Priced around $28 million, it's one of the most expensive and exclusive cars ever made. The Bugatti La Voiture Noire, French for the black car, is a one-of-one hypercar built by Bugatti to celebrate its 110th anniversary and pay homage to the legendary Type 57 SC Atlantic. It features a handcrafted carbon fiber body, a 1,500 horsepower quad-turbo W16 engine with 6 exhaust pipes, and bespoke design details throughout. Only one unit was ever made, sold to a private collector for around €16.7 million, $18.9 million, including taxes, making it the most expensive new car ever sold. The Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta is an ultra-limited open-top hypercar designed by Horacio Pagani himself, with only 3 ever built. It has almost no roof and a dramatic carbon titanium body, powered by a 7.3L naturally aspirated Mercedes-AMG V12 producing around 789 horsepower with a 6-speed manual gearbox and rear-wheel drive. Weighing about 1,250 kilograms, it's extremely light and engaging, hitting 0,100 km/h in 3 seconds and over 220 mph plus top speed. With bespoke design and exclusivity, its price is around $15 to $17.5 million USD, making it one of the most coveted and expensive hypercars ever made. The SP Automotive Chaos Zero Gravity is a futuristic ultracar from Greek maker SP Automotive, powered by a 4.0L twin-turbo V10 producing acclaimed 3,065 horsepower and almost 1,984 Nm of torque in its top spec. It's designed with Xylon, carbon, titanium, and 3D printed parts, weighs about 1,272 kilograms, and is claimed to sprint 0 to 100 km per hour in 1.55 s, hit 300 km per hour in 7.1 s, and exceed 500 km per hour top speed, numbers that would smash current records if real. Limited to around 20 units, its price is estimated near $14 million plus. These performance figures are manufacturer claims that haven't been independently verified yet. The Rolls-Royce Sweptail is a one-of-one luxury coupe hand-built for a private owner, inspired by classic Rolls-Royce coach-built cars of the 1920s and yacht design. It was unveiled in 2017 after 4 years of bespoke design and craftsmanship. Built on the Phantom platform with a 6.75L V12 engine, it has a huge panoramic glass roof, minimalist interior with Macassar ebony wood and fine leathers, and bespoke features like luggage and champagne systems tailored to the client. Car Whale. At debut it was valued around £10 million to $13 million, making it the most expensive new car in the world at the time.